All aboard for Summer Cruise 2025. Join the JAHJAH Foundation for its annual fundraising Summer Cruise. Departing on Saturday, June 14th, 2025. Enjoy an all-inclusive evening of gourmet dinner, open premium bar, and non-stop Caribbean vibes. Dress to represent your island pride. Rock the colors of your favorite Caribbean flag on the multi-level vessel with lab sound spinning the latest party tunes. On the top deck with DJ Ricky Genius, turning it up with timeless classics. Saturday, June 14th, aboard the luxurious Horizon's Edge, departing Pier 81 at the corner of 42nd Street and 12th Avenue in New York City. Boarding begins at 5:30 p.m. sharp. Tickets are $150 for adults, $100 for kids. Available now on EventBrite.com. Proceeds to support all our initiatives in Jamaica. Thanks to our platinum sponsor, the Original Dumpling Shop. Call 917-531-3699. This is another JAHJAH Foundation production.